So in this tutorial, I want to show you guys how to make louder 808s. The general human hearing response, as you can see here with the perfect drawing of an ear, is around about 20 to 20,000 kilohertz. So if the normal human ears detect pressure waves in the air, and these waves have frequencies that vary from 20 to 20,000 kilohertz, and if you can see on this graph, the peak sensitivity is about 3,000 hertz. So anywhere below that is considered mid-range. The mid-range frequency seems to be picked up by the ear a lot, and that's the thing that we like to hear the most. Distortion. What is distortion? Well, this is a distortion plugin. Distortion is something that people tend to use a lot to make things sound louder than they actually are. Other than actually getting an EQ and boosting or attenuating the EQ, people like to add distortion or harmonics into the mix. But why? So why choose a harmonic exciter or a distortion plugin over EQ? Well, it's pretty simple. In this distortion plugin, this harmonic exciter, you're actually adding in additional harmonics into the same frequency area. As you can see there, the additional harmonics are adding content into specific spots on the frequency spectrum. When you're using an EQ, you're actually just adding in more of the same frequency. So we're here in Studio One, and let's look at this in a practical sense. So I'm using Alloy 2, which is an older plugin that I like to use for distortion. This plugin allows me to add in harmonic distortion in a 3-band setup. So I'll show you exactly what this situation is and how it's going to benefit this mix. I'll play to you the plugin without it, and then I'll play the plugin with the distortion on, and you guys make up your own mind. So you can hear in the mix there, the distortion is actually adding in additional harmonics to the mix. Now I'll show you in a visual sense of exactly what that's doing. So you can see as it faded out, less harmonics were in the mix, and obviously the distortion kind of faded out as well. I found that in this mix, using additional distortion allowed me to make the 808 sound louder than it actually was.
44th Street, we gon' live it out, 44th Street. We gon' shout it out, 44th Street. We gon' be about what you gon' do. It's 44th now.